In this video, we are introducing the Credentials tab. This tab is where you assemble and issue your credentials. Before you proceed to create your first template, please make sure to provide details of the issuing organization under the Organizations tab. If you wish to describe a learner's achievements, activities, or other relevant aspects, you first need to enter these under the respective tabs. You will need to provide references to these entries when you build your credentials. In order to start this process, go on and fill in the necessary fields under the Elements menu: Achievements, Learning Outcomes, Activities, Assessments, Organizations, Entitlements. This will make the process of creating your first credential template faster. In case you already have a previously created credential template, you can use the filter bar and apply it. After other necessary tabs under the Elements menu have been filled, you can continue the process by clicking the New Credential Template button. A new page will appear and you will need to provide details about the learning credential using the data fields below. The page contains three main sections: credential information, further details, claims, and more information. In the first section, credential information, you will be required to add basic information about the credential, such as the credential title, awarding body, and a short description. The awarding body should be the organization that issues the credential. For the organization to appear in the list, make sure to add it under the Organizations tab. The description is a summary of a claim, or a group of claims, made about a person. It is recommended that it starts with a verb. For example, has achieved, is entitled to, or has attended. The credential title and the awarding body are required fields, while the description is optional. The next section is focused on the further details regarding the credential. Here you need to enter the date from which the issued credential is considered valid, which is obligatory, and also the date from which the credential will no longer be considered valid, if this is applicable. There is another obligatory field here: credential type, and the options are visible in a drop-down menu. After this, comes an obligatory section called Claims. It contains fields called Achievements, Activity, Entitlements, and Assessments, and at least one of these fields needs to be filled in. For each of these fields, you can choose as many values as you find applicable. Once again, these values need to be previously entered through the Elements tab on the first page. If you would like to add a new value you have not previously created, for example, a new achievement, you can click on the Create New button and fill in the required fields. The final section is called More Information, and it offers the extra possibility to apply a customized HTML template if you wish to personalize and customize your credential. HTML templates need to be created first under the Custom HTML Template tab, or by clicking the Create New button. Also, under the Identifiers field, you can add a unique code assigned to each credential for identification and tracking purposes.